Did you know that 60% of Americans are looking for ways to earn passive income? Imagine generating $500 a month without lifting a finger. Stay tuned, because today, we're unveiling how AI is revolutionizing passive income strategies for everyday Americans like you. Welcome to Smart Money AI. In this video, we'll explore how cutting-edge AI tools are transforming passive income generation. We'll dive into real-life examples of individuals making consistent income with AI, provide a step-by-step guide to setting up your own AI-driven income stream, discuss market trends shaping the future of AI in finance, and share tips for maximizing your earnings while minimizing effort. If you're excited to learn how to boost your income effortlessly, let's jump right in. The first step in leveraging AI for passive income is understanding the tools available. One standout is robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront. These platforms use algorithms to manage your investments automatically. By diversifying your portfolio with a minimum investment of just $500, you could see returns of around 5 to 7% annually. They optimize your investments based on your risk tolerance and goals, making it easier than ever to grow your wealth passively. Start by signing up and answering a few simple questions about your financial goals. Let's talk about Sarah, a busy mom who turned to AI for financial freedom. Using an AI-driven platform called Fundrise, she invested in real estate with as little as $500. Within a year, she earned $600 from rental income and asset appreciation, making her investment work for her. Fundrise allows everyday investors to participate in real estate deals, and the best part? You don't have to deal with property management hassles. If Sarah can do it, so can you. Just create an account and follow the prompts to start investing. Next up is content creation with AI tools like Jasper and Copy.ai. These platforms use AI to help you create engaging blog posts, social media content, or even ebooks. By leveraging these tools, you can establish multiple streams of income through affiliate marketing or selling digital products. For instance, if you create and sell an ebook priced at $20 and sell just 25 copies a month, that's an extra $500 in your pocket. To get started, pick a niche you're passionate about, sign up for Jasper, and let the AI help you generate quality content effortlessly. If you're finding this helpful, hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss our weekly AI finance tips. Now, let's move on to more strategies. Have you heard about trading bots? Platforms like CryptoHopper and 3 allow you to automate your cryptocurrency trading. By setting up a bot and investing as little as $100, you can leverage market trends to generate daily returns. For example, users have reported profits between 1 to 3% daily, which can quickly add up. The key here is to start small, set your trading parameters wisely, and let the bot do the heavy lifting. With the right strategy, you could potentially see $500 in profits in just a few months. Let's take a look at John, who started using an AI-driven investing app called Acorns. He set up recurring investments of just $5 a day, and after a year, he was surprised to find his portfolio had grown to $2,000. This app rounds up your purchases and invests the spare change. By being consistent and letting the app manage his investments, John now earns around $100 annually from dividends alone. It's a fantastic way to accumulate wealth without feeling the pinch. Market research can be time-consuming, but AI tools like AlphaSense and Crayon can streamline this process. They analyze data trends and provide insights that can help you make informed investment decisions. By accessing these insights, you can identify profitable opportunities before they become mainstream. For example, using these tools might help you spot an emerging tech stock that could yield a 20% return. To start, sign up for a free trial and familiarize yourself with the dashboard to identify trends relevant to your investment strategy. Finally, let's discuss how to maximize your earnings while minimizing effort. Tools like Upwork and Fiverr leverage AI to connect freelancers with clients. If you have a skill, such as graphic design or writing, you can set up a profile, and AI will match you with potential clients. Imagine landing just one project a month at $500. That's an incredible side income. To get started, create a profile highlighting your expertise and start bidding on projects that align with your skills. To recap, we've explored various AI tools that can help you generate passive income, like robo-advisors for investment management, AI content creation tools, trading bots for cryptocurrency, and more. Remember the success stories of Sarah and John, who leveraged these tools to generate extra income effortlessly. With the right strategies and tools, you too can make your money work for you with AI. Don't forget to explore these options and find what suits your financial goals best. If you found this video valuable, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving AI strategies every week. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What AI tools have you tried for passive income? We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep innovating and maximizing your financial potential with Smart Money AI.